What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cynsational LOCS, and I am back with another quick video. As you can see, I'm giving this client a much needed detox. This footage is from like late 2018, and I was holding it for a part 2 that never happened. But there are some really good squeezes in here, and we were at this for like an hour, y'all, and the water never ran clear. I urged him to come back so that we could remove all of the buildup, but even with us removing just this top layer of filth, his locks were so much lighter in color and in weight. So I figured y'all would enjoy this transformation. Even the client was shocked and disgusted by what was in his hair.
Nice cartwheel. No, facts. I'm gonna show you what's going.
Here you can see me filling up the water, and only the tips of his locks are in there.
Just the tips. Oh, we just the tip.
And the water is the same color it was with everything. It's filthy. I mean, yeah, but you still need to go get the medicine.
Yes.
So that you can put it on your
Look like a lingering like
He also had some scalp or skin issues. Before the wash, it looked like it was maybe seborrheic dermatitis. However, I am not a dermatologist, and I suggested that he receive proper diagnosis from one. I would be able to help him carry out the treatment if he wanted to, but again, I can't diagnose it, and I can't really make informed suggestions without knowing exactly what it is. I was able to get his roots separated without cutting, and just basically lightly wrapping his loose hair around, the right lock, putting it in the right area, and they looked so much better. Yeah, guys, and although his locks look so much better, he truly had a long road ahead of him, from controlling his scalp issues to keeping his hair clean, like just at the bare minimum. Looks are not everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you leave me a comment down below and that you like and share this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.